In the past, I've made hash brown potatoes, peeling the potatoes, dicing them up, and then sauteing them in butter, oil, or just oil. But I found a way that has much less shrinkage. Take these potatoes, I'm going to put them in the microwave first. There's a setting on my microwave that says potato, so when I put it in there, they come out cooked, a little firm. They've cooled down. After they cool down, you just take a knife and peel the potato. After you peel the potato, we're going to put it on the board and cut it up. And what I like about this, if you boil the potatoes first, which I have done, they're wet. There's a lot of moisture in there. So these are kind of dry, which is good, because giving them color won't take long at all. So you look at this is a 12-inch saute pan. If you look at the amount that we have, that'll fit in this 12-ounce just right. If you use anything smaller, the potatoes are going to be piled on top of each other, and it'll take longer to cook. They'll be in there. That means they'll be drying out even more. So you want to get this process done as quick as possible. And there's the butter, the flavor. Okay, so that pan is hot, and that's what you want. You want to keep this on there forever and cooking slowly. So you turn it up all the way. And then you put what potatoes love is pepper. And we love pepper in the house here. And then salt. Potatoes also love salt. Makes the potato delicious. You sprinkle some pink salt on there. And if you look at the flame, it's rather high. Get it higher. So what I did was I peeled them, I diced them up on the board and put them in here. And I'm going to not continuously mix it, but like right now, leave it like that. And you'll see how long it takes maybe to brown it slightly on the bottom. And then we will turn it over and we'll shut the camera off until all the potatoes are the color that you should have. So it will take a few minutes, but how long is this whole process? Cook the potatoes in the microwave. Hours later peel them, or peel them while they're warm. Usually easier. Dice up the potatoes. Put them in the refrigerator. Later on, or the following day if you're having it for breakfast. Then just do this. There's no moisture in there. So they brown fast. So let's see on this type of flame what we have so far. There you do see some browning of the potatoes. You know, these pans, it's nice to get one with a thick bottom like this, but they still don't cook evenly 100% around. So I'm going to shut this camera off now and wait, and I'm going to mix this every minute. We're done now. Look how beautiful that golden brown is. Okay, so now what do? Let's see how many portions we're going to get out of this. Try to divide this in half, like about so, and put it into a serving dish. So what you have here really is just 2 portions. Because once you start eating these potatoes, you don't want to stop. Look how nice. Those are nice hash browns. If you like them smaller than that, which I don't, all you do is just chop them up a little bit more. Hope you enjoy it.